No, we're making tea! Because I'm filming with my iPad video, like the camera, but the microphone is still in my desktop. Did not think that all the way through. Well, okay. But yeah, so I'm hoping now that I have this, I can actually like moving around my room pretty solidly, and like so you can see what I work on when I'm over there. My teapot's in the way, like when I'm over there in my sewing station, sewing machine, and I think this is going to work better. Oh, the audio is a lot out of sync. Dang it. Okay, next time it will be better. We have it, the glitter. Yes, 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 yes. Where's my spray adhesive? Hold on, we're still getting things. Barney! Ah! We should give him more feathers. I feel like he needs more feathers. They came in a pack of 2 from the dollar store. Don't we just love the dollar store? Oh, more feathers! More feathers! The bird is not here today. You will not hear him screeching or climbing around. I was at my dad's up in Orange County for the weekend, so my mom took him while I was gone, and it is pouring down rain today, so she didn't bring him back. We didn't want him outside in this weather. This one came out good. It's more of a greeny blue color. Okay. I'm so excited. You get to see what I'm working on. This works so much better, don't you think? I know, I kind of like the dark spots. I wish I had black rhinestones. I do not. We're going to put away the rhinestones right now. Away? What did I do with my newspaper? There are so many people online, so many communities that help you build stuff. Like when I was doing Bosch, I went on to the RPF. This magical world of big boys and big toys that I had never dabbled in before, asking about how to make Bosch's helmet. And these guys were like, just do this and this and this. And I was like, I don't know how to do this and this and this. And then they were like, we'll try this, this, and this. And it's just, you will always find people who like to do things. You just have to step out of your own comfort zone, because talking to those guys were scary. Like, I look at the RPF and I'm like, man, that is so cool. How did they do that? And I'm like, they're never going to respond to me. They have like majillions of followers. Like, I'm never going to get a response. Then 2 months later, they email me back. And I'm like, yes, thank you. Thank you for helping me. Motivation. Motivation. Okay, we got one more. Oh, that looks kind of bad. It's like falling over. Reposition. Oh! You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Nothing happened. Don't even look at it. Okay. Ooh. It's a cute little bird. Looks so good. I don't want to sew. I don't want to sew. I'm being so lazy. I don't want to do the collar. I don't want to. Alright guys, I can't get it to come back on, so if you're still there and you made it through this somehow, congratulations. But my Twitch is just not working, so I'm going to just shut it down. Sorry! Goodbye if you're still there! This has been having lots of trouble. Alright. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, is anyone there? Sorry! Sorry! Okay. Goodbye. Say goodbye to everyone in the chats if you are still there. Woo-hoo! Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.